discuss about molding of fetal head during labor. What is molding of fetal head during labor? What is the purpose of molding of fetal head during labor? What are the advantages that we are going to get by this molding? Okay, we'll discuss all these things in this lecture. Molding of head is the change in the shape of fetal head while passing through the resistant birth canal during labor. Is the change in the shape of fetal head during the passage through the birth canal, we can say. So when the birth canal is somewhat resistant to the passage of fetal head, what happens is it changes its shape so that it can pass through the birth canal. So to pass through the birth canal, the fetus changes its head shape. This is what is called molding. During molding, what happens is, you see, as all of us know, during intrauterine life, the cranial bones, in between the cranial bones will have membranes, right? So in between the fetal cranial bones we have membranes. During labor, what happens is these cranial bones will approximate each other and they can also override on each other. Okay, they can approximate and override on each other. This approximation and overriding will take place when the birth canal is resistant to passage of fetal head. So due to this, the change in fetal head takes place and the passage through the birth canal will happen smoothly, right? So there what happens is there is approximation and overriding of fetal cranial bones. This is what is called molding. This molding is of three grades. Okay, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, right? Grade 1 is also called plus, right? 2 plus, 3 plus, 3 pluses. Okay, in grade 1, what happens is fetal bones will touch each other. These fetal bones will touch each other. Touching of fetal cranial bones, right? In plus 2, in grade 2, what happens is the bones will overlap. These bones will overlap on each other, but this overlapping is reversible. In plus 3 or grade 3, what happens is there is overlapping here also, but the thing that happens here is the overlapping is irreversible. Overlapping will take place. This grade 3 is pathological. Grade 1, grade 2, these are physiological, because these two are happening because to change the shape of head so that the baby can pass through the birth canal, right? But in grade 3, the changes are becoming irreversible and this is pathological, right? So what happens when there is irreversible overlapping? These can lead to intracranial bleeding. Intracranial bleeding, right?